Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is my plans for the channel. Now, I've asked people to donate to help me buy devices and equipment. I did get money last year. I very much appreciate it. But being into money problems, I put some of that money away, and I had to spend some of the money on cat food and myself. But I don't have the kind of money that other people do because I no longer am able to physically work. Something that trolls will never accept. They think it's all a scam, which is total BS. By the way, if you're wondering, this is my Lipitor for my cholesterol. This is 2 different pills, hydrochlorothiazide for my high blood pressure, which is normal, but I don't think they'll have me take these pills. This is my ibuprofen, generic Motrin for pain. And last night, during the night, the neuropathy, my foot, because of my sciatic nerve, my toes were throbbing and hurting. I was almost screaming. My knee was throbbing and hurting. My back was hurting. My feet were throbbing and numb. This is part of the reason I can't work. When I can't even get up out of bed, and I get up out of bed and cramps happen in the calf of my leg, and I figured a way to get around that. It still hurts. I have to lift my leg up 6 or 7 times each leg to keep it from cramping up because I'm sleeping in this god-awful sofa bed. But other people give donations. I don't have the kind of money for equipment. I will this month be getting an iPad. I will be getting a newer Apple Cinema display, a 23-inch, that's relatively inexpensive, $30. The person flaked on the webcam. They sold it out from under me. That would have been $25. So I will have to buy the better webcam, a Brio. And once the bed area is cleared up, and I will install the webcam when I get a new internet provider. That will cost me a $100 deposit, and then $70 a month or whatever their fee is. I don't remember right now. I have to call them up again. And then I will be getting an iPhone. I'm going to look to get an iPhone 7. I can get one for about $150. And the reason I want an iPhone is for live streaming. Now there's a new device coming out. It's called the Roland Go. This will cost $250. And what it is, you don't need a mixer. You can use an external microphone, and you plug your iPhone into a stand with a tripod, and you have a connector to your handheld microphone or whatever microphone you're going to use. I got to find my blue microphone. It's around here somewhere. I haven't used it for months. I forgot where I put it. It's another reason why I want to do more cleaning. I forget where I put stuff, and I need a bin like I saw in Taco Stacks, where he has a whole closet for all his equipment. Well, if I clean out the side closet here, then I could put my microphones in a drawer and my cables and whatever I need. So we're going to keep searching for them or try to remember, where did I put that? Where the hell is it? I can't remember where I can't find it. So anyway, the Roland Livecast, you push a button for music. I'm looking at the buttons on it. There's various buttons, but you connect this to your iPhone, and it can do Skype, it can do Twitch, it can do YouTube, it can do Facebook. Live streaming, $250. This is the sort of thing, once I go back on a real internet service rather than Xfinity, which I can only use on this computer, you'll eventually see me in the bedroom. When I go up to Sacramento to get the Mac Pro, I will buy the card for it to get me the metal ability to use Catalina or Sierra or High Sierra. Not certain what it is now. I'm using El Capitan on this. That's as far as it goes. And I'm going to talk to the guy he worked for, formerly worked for a major um, electronics company. So, um, and he will give me the advice exactly what I need for the Mac Pro. A 2012 Mac Pro for me will be like a new computer. It will be 4 years newer than this one, 2 years newer than my 2010 in the bedroom, 3 years newer than my MacBook, and my white iBook that's sitting here dead. It's certainly newer than that, and it will be newer than my iPad, my one iPad, not the broken one. And maybe there's a way to talk to Roland to connect an iPad to this device, but to get live streaming with a little box the size of, I don't know, smaller than that sign that fits in your desk. And all you do is connect it, push the button. It has built-in music, or you could add your own music. You push the buttons, boom, you're live. You don't have mixers, you don't have all that garbage. I have a mixer in here somewhere. I've never Behringer mixer. I've never figured out how to use it. But this is why I ask people to donate to the channel to help me improve it, to help me go live stream in 2020. It's not to nag you. It's not to bug you. I don't have $250 at once. It takes me months to save up that kind of money. Nor do I have the money right now. I will have it in May to get a new internet service so I can be Wi-Fi, so I can get a webcam. So when my bed is cleared up and kept neat every day, you will see kitties streaming. You will see kitties in the bed sleeping, kitties getting up and stretching, whatever the kitties do. The living room will be cleaned up with Kathy's help. And then once I get the hallway done and the entry to the bedroom done and the area in front of the computer done, then the last thing to do other than the kitchen, and the kitchen won't take me more than a couple of hours because I just get easily clean the counters off, clear all the junk off the counters. I have plans for the kitchen. The biggest problem will be somehow I'm going to have I found a place to rent stuff. I may have to rent a ladder so I can clean the walls. They're full of dust and grease from the stove. But my long-term goal, scratching my arm, is to get all this area to the right of me cleared out. Everything nice and neat like it was before Fluffy Destructo wiped out the table. Everything in bins, everything not even visible. Everything will be in nice places, and then you won't even see a lot of the stuff I have. I'm going to put a piece of colored paper over each drawer so nobody can see it, even me. I'll mark it, cables or whatever. But that way there won't be all this clutter. There won't be things like stacks of mail. This is going to go in a bin. And this is Lucky Pharaoh's card. My chair ran over it. I'm very distressed about that. So all this loose stuff that's flying around, we put away neat. And eventually, if I can move all the videos off the filing cabinet in front of the bed, I could get another table to hold that wooden double thing of videos and put the filing cabinet somewhere, put the mail I need to save in the filing cabinet, and then throw the physical paper away that I don't need. So that's my goal in the next, and things like the Polaroid could be put away. I don't use it anymore. It's too hard to tell when it's on, but I'm not going to throw it out. And I want to get a two-drawer thing and put it under the Snoopy phone so that all this stuff doesn't keep falling off the table when I get it, and eventually get rid of this table and get a smaller table to put in here. Get rid of this thing the fan's sitting on. The only reason this is here is to support this fan for when it's hot in the summer, or hot in the spring for that matter. So that's why I'm asking for donations. The other thing I do not understand with 1,434 or 30 subscribers, now I know some of you may say, your videos are crap and all that. Well, after doing over 3,000 of them, I've run out of ideas, frankly. And I'm a little burnt out on the paranormal. I've been concentrating lately, other than cleaning, on the NFL. I'll do my prediction video in early morning for this weekend. And I still intend to take this out and go film video. And once I get the iPad, I'll go back to T-Mobile. When I come up with $75, I'll have the dongle to go Wi-Fi anywhere. And as I travel around, and then get the dongle when we get another Prius, put that in the Prius, and you'll see me do live streaming in the car. So that's my goal in 2020, to go live all the time. And if this place ever gets completely straightened out, what doesn't look like a complete mess, not impossible to do, but not easy, I would need physical help. I did the hallway, and my back started objecting to it after about 20 minutes, and I start panting because it's just too much for me anymore. But if I can get this place to where it looks presentable, at least in one room, and by the bed area, and then you'd see a kitty cam over there. You might see eventually, if I start putting all the Halloween decorations in bins rather than having them just sitting on shelves, you'd see hallway cam for the kitties. I get another webcam for the bedroom, and then I have to have privacy covers. You'd see webcam for the bedroom. What is George doing in the bedroom? Is he in the bedroom? When I'm not in the bedroom or not broadcasting, disconnect the computer. Lon Seidman says disconnect it completely. Don't let it be connected. But then you'd see me 24 hours a day, except when I'm sleeping or coming out of the shower or something like that. I wouldn't want to shut down the entire internet or scare them. But that's my goal this year. Get back on the internet fully. Have a working iPad that's usable for videos, that's usable for streaming. Get my other iPad repaired. Get an iPhone. Because I am awfully sick and tired of this crappy broken glass Android phone that gets constantly filthy no matter how many times I clean it. And get this place straightened out. And then if I have an iPad, one reason I'm eating a lot, somebody I know complained about this. Kathy said nerves. I said part of it's nerves, part of it's boredom, part of it I can't go anywhere. We don't have a car anymore. And part of it, when I had my iPad, I could watch DirecTV Now, I could watch Fox News, the sports, the weather, television programs. I wasn't so bored. I'd been lying in bed watching TV till I fell asleep. So I know I'm a little long-winded about this, but that's what's going on in the channel. And I told Zoe I'm going to send Marty's gifts in the first because I want to get some more gifts from Marty. Lucky Pharaohs, thank you for writing me a comment and commenting on the person who gave the advice about tuna fish. Giving too much tuna is not good for a kitty. And the next batch of Meow Mix, I think I'm going to switch from the tuna and the to chicken if they have a chicken variety. But anyone who thinks that I don't love Kathy or don't love the cats I feed or don't love my cats is a fool. And I work rather hard to try to get this place straightened out as much as I can, but my body at 67 weighs too damn much. It's too physically messed up, and I can only work for maybe at most half an hour at a time, and then I got to sit down and lie down, and then I start watching videos, and my body either says it's time to go to sleep, or Fuzzy said, rah, rah. That means go to sleep, Daddy. And here comes Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy. Baby boy. Here's my baby boy. And he is also very soft. Baby boy. Yes, my boy. With the patting the tail. The one who growls at Daddy when he pets him and kisses him. This silly boy. Love my baby. With the pet detail, yes. With the softy. I love the soft fuzzy tail. Love the soft fluffy tail. Yes, Mr. Well, I've gone over 15 minutes. There goes Fluffy. It's time to feed the kitties. So this is George Senda explaining what I plan to do for the channel and asking you for donations to help me go live this year. I'm asking also my subscribers to please start watching my videos because I don't understand why I'm getting 25, 30, 40, 50 views instead of 1,000, because the more views I get, eventually it will build the channel. And that's what it is there. So I don't understand where the rest of the people are, if they're watching PewDiePie or something. I don't know. All right, have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and eventually, yes, you will see this bookcase straightened out too. But I'm doing it in sections, so I can get one area cleaned up and then work on the other area. And the bed will be next after I finish all the laundry and put it away. I'm going to strip the bed because Fuzzy keeps dragging cat litter into the bed with her paws. And that's not fun. All right, I hope this publishes. It's way over 15 minutes. I don't know if I've still got the limit or not. We'll find out. This is George Senda. Have a great night. It is now 11:20, and it's probably time to go check on the laundry. Bye-bye for now.